March 7th, right before daylight. Got a storm brewing. That's looking to the southwest right there. Moon's right up there somewhere going down. And the sun will be coming up over there. Good morning, everybody. Got some big, beautiful thunderheads. Just don't hope we don't have no tornadoes. There's the moon. Well, it's just before daylight. It's about 6:30 in the morning on March 7th here. Got big thunderhead coming in. They didn't even predict no rain today for southern Indiana, but now they are. Big old thunderhead coming in. Michigan just had a tornado, I think yesterday. Oklahoma, tornadoes are starting to show up. Look at that big thunderhead coming in. I was supposed to go to work today, but I don't know if I'll be working if it's pouring down rain. Moon's right there. Supposed to be windy, 20, 30 mile an hour wind today coming out southwest. These clouds are rolling in out of the southwest. So big old thunderheads. God's beauty. Looks like a dragon with one horn and a claw reaching out. I can smell the rain.